Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutorial and I open a blank document in Microsoft Publisher and you find the menu bar here, like as you can find the menu file, home, insert, page design, mailing, review, view and help. Sometimes we need to rearrange the menu in our work in progress and our working importance. So we don't know sometimes where is the arrange menu in our publisher. So in this video I'll show you where is the arrange menu in Microsoft Publisher. So let's get started. First I go to file menu and I click file and then you find here in options. This is options menu and I click here. When I click options, you find a toolbox here. This is the toolbox and you can find the options customize ribbon and you click this customize ribbon and now you can see the main tabs menu here, like as you see master page, home, insert, page design, and I click here and this is the main menu in our menu bar. We can replace this menu and rearrange this menu in our working importance in our everyday work. So sometimes we want to first option in insert menu and I click the insert and then I go to move up the upper and now you can upper the insert menu and I want to page design in the second options in move up, so I click here and now I want to master page in our fifth option, so I click and move down here. Now I rearrange the menu bar. First option is insert, page design, home and master page, and you can also click the options here disable in our master page in our interface menu bar. You can also disable, like as I disable the developer options I click here and I disable this, and sometimes we need to rearrange our sub menu here, like as I click here in plus options and you can go to page design, and page designs has so many options like a template, page setup, layout, pages, schemes. You can also click here and rearrange this, like as you can rearrange this template in the move down to page setup, so you can change here. So now you can change the full menu bar here. Then you go to OK options. So when I click OK, the menu has been changed, so I click here in OK. First option you look, this is insert and next page design, so you replace this. Now OK. Now your interface menu bar has been changed. You look, the insert menu is the first option, next page design and the third option is home. Before you can see the home button is the first options. Now I can change here. You can reset your interface menu bar, like you go to file options, then you also go to options, next you go to customize ribbon, then you can click here in reset, then it's reset the all menu, reset all customizations. Just click here, then you click here in yes. So now you click OK. You can see the customizes menu bar has been changed here. So viewers, now you can find your menu bar in your own styles in the file options. You can find where is the menu in your publisher. So thanks for watching and don't forget to. So viewers, now you can find your menu bar to rearrange every day in your work. So you can arrange your menu every time, and now I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also likes, comments and share.